Okay. How to log into your OfferUp account even after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply open your OfferUp. Then from here, what you're going to do is first of all get your location. So you can enter your zip code, or you can simply tap on get my location in order to pin down your location too. So like I said, simply add in your zip code just like this, then tap on enter, and just like this tap on next, and then in here, if you want notification to be sent, you can tap on next, or you can even skip this option. Let's skip this one too. Then from here, like I said, in order to log into your account, simply tap on the option log account right here, and after tapping on that one, you can tap on either of those platforms if you have signed up your account using them. It could be your Facebook ID, Google ID, or your Apple ID too. So since I have created my account manually, I'm going to tap on continue with email, then tap on login. So after doing that, all you need to do is add in your email address and then password, then tap on agree and login, right? But in here, unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply tap on the option forgot your password right here. Then you will actually be able to enter your email address right here, then tap on send, and you will actually be getting a link on your email inbox. So simply make sure to open up that link and then go along with the process of how you will be able to reset your password. So after successfully resetting your password, you can simply come back to the login page, then in here add in your email address and the new password to your account, then tap on agree and login, and just like that you'll be able to log into your account even after forgetting your password. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.